Model, 2012 Ford Transit rear-wheel drive, Jumbo 2.2 TDCi long MOT motorcycle ramp. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 110020. MOT, 24 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCi-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. No lights on the dash. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.